Feels good when you put another hard drive onto your laptop. You are running out of storage and you have an option to put another 1 terabyte storage, ain't it? Hey guys, I'm Anand, your tech guide from Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the process to completely disassemble the ASUS X540 series of laptops. Now it might be a X540L, M or J at the extension. The process to completely remove and replace the inners of this particular laptop will remain the same. After watching this video, you will be able to replace the hard drive, put a new battery, put two hard drives in the same laptop, remove the DVD writer, put another DVD writer, remove the motherboard and replace it with another one, upgrade the RAM, CMOS cell, speakers, processor fan, literally everything that you want to do with this particular ASUS laptop. So let's do it. So if your laptop is something that looks like this on the top, and once you open it, this is the way the keyboard outlay is, and on the left you have the charging pin, C-type, Ethernet, VGA, HDMI, USB 3.0 port and a headphone mic on the left side, and on the right side you have a DVD writer bay. And once you look at the rear, this is the way it looks. Then this process can apply irrespective of the color of the laptop that you have. It might be a golden or a silver or a gray. The same process will apply irrespective of even the processor that you have. You might have a Celeron or a Core i3 or a Core i5. The same process will apply. First thing first, we need to flip the laptop and we need to remove all the screws that are visible here. These two screws are going to be very long in length. Hinges are going to be just a little smaller than these screws, and these here are going to be the smallest. Now once you've removed all the screws, just open the laptop like this, take a prier like this and start protruding. The touchpad will give away. You'll see that the keyboard and the touchpad cable are connected here, the strips are connected. So just don't remove the touchpad carelessly, you might just break the cable here. Take a tweezer like this and just need to remove the connectors, remove the cable. And similarly for the keyboard connector also, remove the keyboard cable. Then you can remove the touchpad like this. Once you remove it, you have the inners of the laptop. So once you open the inners, you will see the motherboard, the fan, the Wi-Fi chip, the hard drive, the DVD writer, the speakers and the battery here. So first thing first, we will remove the battery. There will be a screw over here which you need to remove, and once you remove the screw, you can remove the battery like this. So this is the battery that you need to buy. It's a 36 watt-hour battery. The type code is A31N1519-2. So once you have a battery like this, you can just replace. So people who want to replace the battery here. Coming to the hard disk part, you just need to remove few screws here. It's a 2.5 inches SATA hard drive. You can take another hard drive or a SSD of 2.5 form factor and remove these 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws to remove the metal cage which is holding on to the storage device, and you can replace the hard drive very comfortably. To remove the DVD writer, you need to remove this one screw over here. So once you remove it, you'll find this notch over here. You just need to pull the DVD drive like this from the top. Once you remove it, this will be out. This is a DVD writer. You need to take a 9mm DVD writer or a 9mm HDD caddy if you want to replace this DVD writer with another hard drive. So just need to remove these two screws here and the metal frame will be off. So coming to the part where the motherboard is, you need to remove the screws over here, remove the processor fan, remove the Wi-Fi chip also. This is the Wi-Fi chip. Just this one screw and the Wi-Fi chip will be out. So take a similar Wi-Fi chip and you can replace the Wi-Fi card. Once you have removed it, another screw is over here. Remove the speaker connecting cables. The speaker cable will be out. To remove this one screw here, check all the screws have been removed. Now remove the VGA cable and the motherboard will be out. So you should know that this laptop has only got one RAM slot. There is one RAM that is soldered onto this particular motherboard here. So you need to take a DDR3L low voltage laptop RAM. So if you want to upgrade the RAM of this particular laptop, the max RAM upgrade capacity is up to 16 GB DDR3L if it is available. Right now, and in this point of time, 8GB DDR3L 1600 MHz RAM is available. 16GB you need to identify. So 4GB is on board, another 4GB or 8GB or 16GB is the maximum that this laptop will take. So take a RAM like this. This is right now a 4GB DDR3L laptop RAM that we are taking. 12800S or 1600 MHz DDR3 low voltage RAM, and insert it like this and press it like this, and the RAM is inserted. Now processor here is soldered, so you cannot replace the processor, keep that in mind. Let's flip the motherboard and fit it back. Now if you want to replace the motherboard, if your motherboard has gone bad, this is the part code over here. It's a E162264 X540 LJ mainboard, revision 2.1. So take a similar motherboard and you can replace it as well. Fix the VGA cable. This is the fan that you need to replace if you want to replace the fan if it has gone bad. So to remove the DVD writer, you need to remove this one screw over here. So once you remove it, you will find this notch over here. You just need to pull the DVD drive like this from the top. Once you remove it, this will be out. This is a DVD writer. You need to take a 9mm DVD writer or a 9mm HDD caddy if you want to replace this DVD writer with another hard drive. So just need to remove these two screws here and the metal frame will be off. So every laptop DVD writer will have these two screws or maybe one screw or three screws holding the frame that is there of that particular DVD writer. So here in this particular model, you just need to remove these two screws and the plate will be off. So this kind of plate has to be removed in any laptop's DVD writer, and then you need to come to the front part. Here you will see this hole. You can take a long needle like this or a pin, stationary pin that is available very easily. Just need to put here. Once you press it, this particular thing will come off. Now you need to remove this cap over here. For removing the cap, take a tweezer and you need to remove this side and it will come off from this side, and there is on the left side also a similar notch. So the DVD writer plate will come off like this. Keep it aside. This is a new 9.5mm caddy here. So you just need to check if they are the same absolutely, for which you need to put them one top of the other. You'll see that the slimness is also the same and it has the same structure. If there is even a little deviation, then don't put that because it might be a thicker one or a different one. So now you need to take the secondary hard drive here. So you can put a 500GB or a 1TB hard drive onto this particular thing and put it onto the caddy like this. See to it that it latches onto the connector here, and then you need to put the screws which are there along with the caddy, the new one that you buy. So the hard drive is firmly fitted inside the caddy now, and now you can put this particular cap that you removed from the original DVD writer so that the outer does not look any different whatsoever for the laptop. Have a look at this. This portion goes inside over here and this portion goes inside here, and it fits absolutely fine. Press it a little. So once you have fitted the DVD writer, just need to fit in the metal cage like this and put in the screws. Push it inside and you have the secondary hard drive of your laptop now installed. As you don't require to remove the DVD writer for this laptop per se, it's for education that I have shown you. Just need to put it back, the front end cover. Put the screws over here. So take the touchpad like this. First insert the keyboard cable. Then insert the touchpad cable. Close the connector. Now put the touchpad on its base. So in this video, we have literally shown you how to replace almost everything that exists in the base of your ASUS X540 series of laptops. We have replaced DVD writer with a caddy, HDD caddy, put another secondary hard drive onto this particular laptop. Remove hard drive and put a SSD, maybe a 2.5 inches SSD or a 1 terabyte or a 2 terabyte hard drive onto this particular laptop. Remember, this does not have a M.2 SSD slot or a M-SATA SSD slot, so you need to rely on a 2.5 inches SSD only. You can also replace the motherboard, the DVD writer, the RAM, battery, literally everything. Do let us know your suggestions and comments, and do not forget to subscribe to us. Remember, we take a lot of effort in making these videos. Hit that bell icon so that you can get the updates immediately. Thank you so much for watching, guys.